Hello, my noble band of outlaws, Outlaw Samurai, coming at you live with a video. Well, two things. One, I'm going to try Mountain Dew Major Melon. It's got a picture of a pissed the hell off Major Melon. Major pain in fruit form. That's the first thing I'm going to do. Second thing, I'm going to be reviewing a new angle grinder I got, 4.5-inch angle grinder from Perform Max. If any of you all know anything about that brand, please let me know, because I know next to nothing about it. Without further do's and don'ts, let's begin. Smells good. Not bad. I'm more crazy about the holiday version, but the Mountain Dew Major Melon, not that bad. I'm usually not a watermelon fan, but that does it for me. Here's the angle grinder. 4.5-inch angle grinder. 115 millimeter for you non-Americans with your filthy centimeters. I kid and I joke, but still. Yes, it's not an Outlaw Samurai unboxing video unless I unbox it with a sword for the first part and give you your daily dose of sword porn. Yeah, you degenerates like that sword porn. Well, in any case, if I can figure out how to get the damn thing open. There we go. So, I bought this at Menards. They are having the 15% off sale. If you're able to fit shit into a bag, it's 15% off. This was $30 normally, but like I said, I fit it in the bag, so I got it for 15% off. Alright, here's some instructions. Obviously, we start with the boring shit first. So, if you're not familiar with an angle grinder, I highly do suggest reading the instructions. This is in case you grind your dick off. You're like, help me! I ground up my penis. I'm sorry. I have been awake since fucking 4 in the morning, so there's that. Call the 1866 number. Then we got some weird diode things that I don't know what the hell they are, but they're probably important. Product specifications: 120 volts, blah 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 blah, 4.5-inch. Big instruction booklet. Now, you're probably wondering why I'm not taking the instructions of this thing very seriously. And that is the reason, because I was taught how to use one of these damn things back in high school. Which for me wasn't all that long ago. It was the winter of 2019 that I was in high school. Here's the grinder itself. Now, if you notice right here, this part right here, this is actually the locking mechanism for the spark guard. So in case when you're doing work, you're grinding like this, it has a tendency to kick the sparks backwards. So if you have the spark guard held, you can also take the spark guard off apparently. If you have the spark guard like this behind you, it kicks the sparks out in front of you. Very useful. Put that back on there. These are the little washer bolts that you put on when you put the grinding plate on. It only comes with one grinding plate, by the way. That's something I noticed. Here's a little extension, so when you're grinding, you screw this into the angle grinder and you can get better control. Oh, that's what fell off, the other plate. It only comes with one grinding plate, so you're going to need to stock up on these, I assume. I thought there was supposed to be a wrench that accompanied this. Unless it fell out on the floor somewhere. The wrench is probably on the floor somewhere, so I'll find that in a little bit. But, yeah. Pretty standard angle, pretty standard fare. I am not familiar with the Promax angle grinders, but I do like the look of it. It's got a on-off switch that you push up into the on position, and then you push this little lever deal down to turn it off. So I really like that. Here are the holes to which you screw in those handles. It's not strong enough to require a grounding node, by the way. But this has been the unboxing of the Performax Angle Grinder 4.5-inch disc. So, until next time, my noble band of outlaws. Oh, I should mention one thing. When you put a disc on an angle grinder, you always want to put the label facing up. Because this thing has because this other piece has this little lip on it right here that sits in the hole of this disc. Now, I guess with these Performax you can do it either way, but I was taught to always put the label facing up. I find that's the easiest way to change out the discs, and I find they don't get stuck as easily. But that's just my opinion. Until next time, my noble band of outlaws, Outlaw Samurai tells all y'all, be crazy rednecks, be safe and use your weapons, read and carefully follow the instructions to all power tools. I cannot emphasize that enough, but I'm out. Peace.